This is snack wrap at home. Looks more like a tender taco. Yeah, let's try it. Don't look pretty, but it's good.